Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And hit the bell for notifications.
Well, the sun's in my eye, so it must be good evening, so I hope everybody had a good day. We're trying to get a couple coats of this Danish oil on so it can soak in. Trying to get at least 2 coats on it. And all I'm doing is like a quick sand on it, and then it's just a stainer rag. So this one here just kind of, you really put it on thick, and then you got a cleaner rag which comes through afterwards and kind of wipes off any of your big puddles or anything like that. It smooths it out. And like I say, we'll do this twice, and then I'm setting them underneath. And once I get them all under there, then I'll come back and go through them all over again, and that way they'll set overnight, and that way tomorrow, we always say tomorrow we can start something. But that way these will be ready, so when we are ready to start, put them on the ceiling and on our back wall, we can do that, because our back wall's got to go up before the shower, the ceiling's got to go up before the under cabinets, so everything's ready to go up, I think. We're inside working on the ceiling now, because the ceiling's got to go up. We had to pull off the shower because the ceiling's got to go up first. And we had a different ideal, and some ideals just don't pan out. So now we're screwing up this furring strip. And it'll have actually a couple screws in it that actually go up into our steel beam. So it'll stay there. But we're just actually using 2-inch screws, and we've got like this 1/4-inch fiberglass board on top. So what I'm doing temporarily is just screwing them up into that fiberglass that holds them in place, and then I'll come back, and so we'll use these bigger screws, and they'll actually drill up in the centers into steel tube up there. So it'll stay there. So maybe, hopefully tomorrow we'll have all this ready and actually start putting some ceiling up. Okay, what we're doing up front here is just kind of bows down in the front because of the curvature of the outside. So I'm putting these pieces here, like you can see back here. This is our roofing that's going to nail to it. And what I'm trying to do is spur it down. I could bend it up, but I don't want to put that much stress on it. So I'm going to take a piece of 1/4-inch and cut and put down here, and then a piece of 3/4 here and a piece of 3/4 here. And what that'll do is that'll fill in this gap, and I'll screw it to this, and this is actually screwed into the steel beams up here. And that way we won't have to bowl this quite as much. It'll just be a natural curve that this board's going to allow us to do. So as soon as I get those 2 last pieces cut, then we can come on in and start putting up some of the roofing.
The first piece going up. We're gluing it, and then he's shooting it up with a brad gun. And once it's all in place, we're going to use some brass decorative screws to make sure it's secured and won't come down while we're driving.
We're getting a couple pieces up, not going up too bad, but it goes up a lot. This is almost 1/2 inch thick, so it goes up a lot better than that 1/4-inch stuff. And so like we did down here, this is our arch. The next one's coming out. It's got this thing to travel with. This first one over here, and our sidewall will come up here where it's angled, so that'll all be covered up. And then this one was kind of nasty here, thick down a little bit, but we'll try to pull it up some. But then our next one's got the male part, the tongue. So the next one, the groove part, should just go on that and just slide right straight down and just kind of follow our arch. So we're getting there. Well, the sun's going down, it's kind of getting dark. We just wanted to get it started to make sure it's going to work, because you always wondered if thing's going to work. So time's getting short, we got to go, we'll catch you on the next one. See you tomorrow.
Thanks again for watching, and before you leave, remember to hit the subscribe button below, and we'll see you on the next one.